Welcome to Manipal University College Malaysia, a cornerstone of medical education with over 25 years of experience. We proudly carry the esteemed legacy of the Manipal Education Group, transforming aspiring minds into exceptional medical professionals. We offer a world-class learning experience, empowering you to make your mark in the healthcare profession. Our unwavering commitment to academic excellence has resulted in more than 15,000 medical graduates since our inception in 1997. As one of Malaysia's first prestigious private medical institutions, we are a testament to the power of quality education. Our global faculty, experts in their respective fields, guide our students towards their chosen medical specializations. The result? Our graduates are at the forefront of shaping the Malaysian healthcare landscape. Our 50-acre campus provides a tranquil learning environment surrounded by lush greenery. Embrace the serenity of nature while still being conveniently connected to the vibrant city life of Kuala Lumpur, just a 90-minute drive away. At Manipal University College Malaysia, we believe in a holistic approach to learning that extends beyond academics. Our students enjoy top-notch facilities, relaxing common spaces, and a state-of-the-art sports complex with sports courts, a swimming pool, and a gymnasium. Campus life at Manipal University College Malaysia is vibrant thanks to our active Student Council Committee. They organize various clubs and social events, fostering a sense of community among our local and international students. Our international student community is truly global, with students hailing from Australia, Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Myanmar, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, and beyond. We offer a range of undergraduate programs including Foundation in Science, Medicine, Dental Surgery, Psychology, Physiotherapy, and Occupational Therapy. For those seeking to further their medical education, we offer postgraduate programs in dentistry, public health, health research, and medical and health sciences. At Manipal University College Malaysia, our students learn using state-of-the-art medical facilities and equipment, with a curriculum that aligns with international healthcare industry standards. Our comprehensive clinical training provides students with hands-on experience during their third and fourth years of study. We partner with government hospitals and reputable medical institutions in Malacca and Muar, ensuring our students gain exposure to various medical cases in real-world healthcare settings. To develop a well-rounded skill set, our students participate in community health outreach and volunteer programs. This nurtures a sense of care and compassion, preparing them for successful careers as medical professionals. Malacca, a UNESCO heritage city, offers our students a vibrant lifestyle beyond the campus. With its rich cultural tapestry, culinary delights, and historical wonders, it invites exploration and discovery. As you embark on your journey into medicine, we understand that it's your lifelong dream. At Manipal University College Malaysia, we are committed to transforming your aspirations into reality and shaping the future of healthcare. Welcome to Manipal University College Malaysia, the home of inspirational change makers.